Hey everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here on Lead Chess, looking at a couple of chess puzzles. Thanks for everybody tuning in. I hope you enjoy the videos. If you do, like, subscribe. If not, that's cool. Alright, so a couple of things going on here. What are we looking at? 3 pawns, endgame obviously, and we've got the pawn for a possible queen, and he's got his knight, and I've got my bishop. So just a couple of things. I'm not going to move my king anywhere, and the pawns possibly winning. He could move his king over, but okay, I think I figured it out. If you want to pause the video. Alright, so it's just a pin there. So you pin the king, and the king has to move, and right behind it, is that called a pin? Ah, man, I'm not sure if that's called a pin. And you take the knight. So the number over here, victory, over here on the side means if you liked it or not. It's already been played 31,000 times. So that was a pretty easy one. So you can like put up to be like, yeah, it was good, or down if it didn't make any sense. So that's a cool little feature there. New feature. All right, next puzzle. We've got, and a lot going on here. What do we want to take? Option there. Check. Knight. Queen. And pawns. Not really doing anything. Pin. Oh, is that it? So yeah, so if you want to pause the video, I'm going to give it a try. I think that bishop has ran out of squares. Yep. And so it's just, is that the best move? Yep. And you're up a piece. Always be aware of those, just a couple of moves. And I think, yeah, that one was a good one. So it only goes up 1, so that means like as we've been watching it, like somebody else has already played it and beaten it and liked it. So that was played 18,000 times in the upper left-hand corner there. All right, then my king's in the corner. Check, that wouldn't do anything really. Bishop is getting attacked by their bishop. My bishop over here. Oh, that's a fork there with the pawn, but they've got too many pieces really on it. So I would need to move my knight first to give my rook. But is there any over here? So no, they've got their over here. Or sometimes it is just taking right here. Some of these puzzles is that there's so much going on that you're just like, okay, so you missed the easy stuff. So the best move, it does look like I might go with that. So if you want to pause the video, see if I got it. No, that's not the one. So I did think it was this, but nope. Alright, so over 3 on that one. What else is a good move here? So yeah, I don't always get them on the first time. I always like to try to figure it out. There is a button over here to view the solution. So I might click on that. Just to show you guys that when you press it, it doesn't say that. Sometimes you can press it, but then you retry it because sometimes that's not the end of it. See, it says that was the best move, so keep going. And then what is after that? So it's kind of tricky after that too. Still not sure here. No. I do not see the next move either. Oh, okay. So that, I guess that was just move order. I don't know if I like that one. Let me see. Retry that. So if he because if he takes, then I'm gonna just, I mean, I could take with my queen even right there. That's why I don't understand some of those sometimes. It's like, I got it right if I would have just taken the knight at the beginning, so I'm actually gonna put that one down. I didn't understand that one. And you can go to the analysis here too to kind of see what the best move is and what the player did. Again, 2,100 players, and so they moved back, and then this was their move. They did do that, and then that was the move in the game. And then I don't know what happened after that. So on the right here, that was their move, and it was questioned. They should have just taken there. But okay, I thought it was usually blunders. Oh, it says blunder, but all right. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the puzzles, and if you did, click like, subscribe. If not, that's cool, and have a good night.